Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another video. My name is Purpel Slushy NFT, and I just woke up. So grab your coffee, make some food, and let's get into today's video, where I will be talking about a new project that I am super excited for, called The Possessed. Don't mind the dread cap. I literally just woke up maybe like 20 minutes ago. Haven't even gotten a shower yet. Made some coffee. Just figured, I'd make a video early today. I might come out with 2 videos today. Maybe 3, no, not 3 videos. I might come out with 2 videos today. I'm not sure. I do want to make a video here talking about like how I find projects. But until that video comes, let's talk about what you guys are all here for today and another project that I found called the Possessed NFT. So right off the bat, we all have a dark side. What will yours look like? An NFT collection created by TMW Builds and What the Fur. Follow for updates. So as always, I always check out founders of projects and look a little bit into them. So let's check out TMW, creating the Possessed NFT. Previously creator of Hubble, generally building in the metaverse or distracted by FWB Discord. So if we check out Hubble, helping businesses find the right balance of office and remote working so their teams can thrive. As you may well know, for the past 5 years, Hubble HQ has been London's largest online marketplace for renting flexible office space. So right here, it is a marketplace where people, for businesses, can rent office space. Check out the website. It looks really professional. So just based off this and a little bit of research that I've done, the company is actually a really like almost prestigious company in London. It does really well for what they do. So actually the creator of the Possessed NFT was previously the creator of Hubble. So he's coming from a background where he knows business aspects of things. He knows how a business works, and he knows how to create a successful business. Always a good sign to look for. And then if we look at the other creator, we have What the Fur, creating the Possessed NFT, designer, illustrator, Web3 junkie, founder of Point Studio. If we check out Point Studio, right here, every great brand has one, a point, a purpose, and we specialize in helping ambitious young businesses bring theirs to life. So when you scroll through the website, it's actually a really clean website. The way everything flows, it feels really good. It looks super professional. So if we check out the about up here, it says creating fresh, bold brand identities is one skill of ours, and designing brilliant digital experiences is another. But for us, the sweet spot, the real point of difference, is when 2 things come together. So you can read a little bit more about this Point.studio website if you come to the website. I will leave both of the founders' Twitters in the description down below. But as we can see, this other founder, well, the artist, I do believe he is also a founder. Let's check it out. Creating Possessed, yes, another founder. So based off these 2 guys, what they've done in the past, any project that has founders that have legit businesses that they've ran in the past, that they founded other things, that's always bullish signs. So let's check out this project and let's see like why I'm so like into this project and why I think it's dope. Right off the bat, I've said in previous videos, I only ever go for projects that I think are dope and they're unique and I really fuck with the art. Like, for example, Carfuru. I went after that because I thought the art was sick. Like Island, I really liked the art and I thought 120 piece NFT was really dope. Starcatchers, another project that has really dope art. Blocks by Harv, another project that is doing really well right now, and another project that just has really dope art. So I'm always going after projects that might not be like the most hype projects at the time, because I get into projects really early, but I get into projects that I really mess with. Like, I really think that these projects are dope because 1, they're unique, 2, they're doing things that other projects aren't doing, and 3, I just genuinely think that they're dope. Like, if you get into a project just because someone is like, dude, this is the next Invisible Friends, they have 500,000 people following them on Twitter, you gotta get into it. Most likely, you know, it's not gonna be that great of a project, or you're just kind of like going out on a limb just thinking it's going to be good because someone told you that it was, because they have a lot of hype. This project does have 50,000 followers. They do not have a Discord yet, but I've been following this project since probably around like 8,000 followers. So I've been around following them for a minute. It's just taken me a while to make a video about them, just because I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. But as we can see, it's 2D art with like expanded heads that have like all these crazy features going on. So it's almost like an acid trip. It's like a normal dude, and then like his head opens up and it's almost like he mutates. So it's like, so you know how like the bored apes, there's bored apes and then there's mutant apes, and the mutant apes are like mutated and they look all crazy. So like the vibes I get from this is like a normal NFT, but then when it opens up, it's like all mutated. So it's like 2 in 1 almost, which I think is really, really dope. I think this project has a lot of potential to do something really special in the space just because of how big it is. As we can see, a lot of the NFTs in this project look really, really unique once they're opened up. Right here at Newly Discovered Possessed, given everything that's going on, we thought it was right to unleash the peace eyes. Stay safe, folks. So they are conscious of world events that are going on. That's always really great to see. They have a video right here where they kind of show the process of how one of these NFTs is made. And actually they use Photoshop. So a lot of NFTs are, when they're created, they are created using InDesign. Or not InDesign, I can't remember the name of it. It's a program on your iPad. If somebody knows the name of the program that I'm talking about, please put it in the description in the comments down below. I can't remember the name, but a lot of NFTs and art is made on iPads, and a lot of people don't use Photoshop anymore. So seeing a project use Photoshop is really, really dope. The reason why I think Photoshop is so dope for an NFT project is because there's so much that you can do with Photoshop, but it's so complicated and it's so much easier to just draw with a pen tool with like an app on your iPad or something like that, where you can still make insane, crazy art. It's just really dope to see someone really go out of their way and make all these crazy designs using Photoshop. I'm actually a designer myself. I've made a lot of art in my past, and just seeing a project use Photoshop and seeing the design process, how they go in and combine shapes to create, you know, other shapes, and how they put all these different elements together to create this, you know, this sense of, you know, just what they're trying to do with their crazy possessed NFTs. It's just really, really, really dope. And I think that it's just super cool. As we can see, March 3rd, they had 40K. And then a couple days later, 3 days later, they had 50K. So they're growing really, really fast. They do not have a Discord yet. They have these cool little tweets where they're just going to show you like new traits. They also have things, if I can scroll down and hopefully I can find it. I think right here, drum roll, this week we let the posse decide. You all came together to create this first truly community created character. It's been fun watching all of the decisions that you make. This might be the best one yet. So if we scroll down, I'm not sure if we will be able to see it, because I think when you vote, the tweets that you vote on, I think, oh no, here they are. Okay. So what this project did that I think was really, really cool, that I've never seen another project do before, is right here. They let the community decide on voting polls what their next NFT was going to be. So right here, they had the biggest trait was hoodie, mystery brain, diamond, rainbow, smoking, and the eyes are jackpot, heartbreak beanie. So right here, heartbreak beanie, the brains, the jackpot eyes, the diamond earrings, the rainbow beard, and the really cool hoodie. So it's just so cool to see a project really letting the community decide how, you know, their actual NFT is going to be designed. Because so many times we've seen projects You know, there's a million projects out there. You name it. You've seen projects where they come out with these crazy cool designs, but the community's not voting. They don't have an input of what comes out. Just whatever comes out, comes out. But how cool is it that this NFT project or an NFT project gives the community the decision to come up with how they want their next project to be, or their next NFT to be? I think it's really, really, really cool. I think it's a way to not only give back to the community, but also to show them that you care and you really want to take their, you want to take inspiration from them, which I think will basically just make the community stronger as a whole. I think that doing this is going to make people a lot more bullish on the project because they feel like they're actually a part of the design process, which I think is super, super dope. I think the artwork is insane. I love how, you know, when everything opens up, everything gets mutated. I think all of the NFTs that we've seen so far look really, really dope. I can't wait to see this full collection. I think this will be a collection that is going to do really, really well, just purely based off the design alone, in the art. Having like these cool like little like characters and then having them open up, and it's just this crazy combination of, you know, acid trip vibes, crazy intricate designs, rainbow, shark brain, all kinds of crazy stuff that you would never think of, all coming together. And it's really cool because like people love profile picture projects, but imagine having one NFT that you could use as like, for example, this NFT, I could use it like this as the profile picture, or I could wait till the head opens, take a screenshot and use it like that as the profile picture. So you have almost a two-dimensional way of being able to use these NFTs for, you know, your social media, things like that. And, you know, everybody loves NFTs for their social media. Everyone likes to show off. So I think it's really, really dope. If you're not following Possessed, definitely follow Possessed NFT. As you can see, a lot of people that I follow also follow this project. There's some really big people in the space like Bento Boy, Ryan and Crypto, Champ T, Coin Billy, Kosher Plug, Tom Youngs. If you guys don't know Tom Youngs, dude, this dude is the GOAT. He makes really, really dope NFT content on YouTube. If you're not following him, definitely go follow him. He makes really, really, really great calls. He also is just a really, really fun dude to watch, but definitely check him out. Cade, Brettway, Otto Suin. So there's a lot of big people following this project. It's going to be a project that's going to be really, really big. Don't miss out. The Discord is not even opened up yet. I'm not sure if there's a way to even get whitelisted for this project yet, but be on the lookout. I definitely think that this project is going to do well. I think that the last video I made for the Metabucks is also going to do well, so definitely check out that video if you haven't already. I will leave the link to the description of that video in the description down below. I will also leave a link to Possess NFT in the description down below, along with the two founders' Twitters. But that's gonna be it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video on the Possessed. Until next time, it's been your boy, Purple Slushy NFT. Peace.